What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? Yeah, my neighbors be looking at me crazy and stuff. Look, I'm gonna do a about face. Anyways, I got the goggles to ride in. No, I'm just playing. Now we about to start postering. This virus got everything basically shut down, but I've been working. It's kind of helping me out, knock some of this work out. Hopefully we get the lower door panels this weekend. Waiting on my guy to send them to me. I gotta meet him. He live in North Carolina, so I gotta get that piece. Other than that, we'll do a dashboard repair. Amani got the steering wheel coming, so we'll be taking this off soon. Get everything all stitched up. As y'all can see, got the motor in. Kind of like it with the hood off, but y'all know the hood gotta go on. At least I'm gonna put it on. So these are 75 vert seats, the style anyway. 71 through 76 all had the same kind of seats. They just got different patterns. So 73 got more pleats than those. So we're gonna go with that. I'm gonna let y'all give me a decision. As y'all know, the top is purple. The car's gonna be candy grape jelly with a fade, gold rims, gold Tierra grill. I'm looking at this, bam, white cap right there, because it's like cream. If you see it in person, it's cream. It's not even white, it's cream. Everybody always go peanut butter, but that's my second choice. But I'm trying to do something different. Do like purple stitching on the outside, not my pleats. Only thing I need to find is a bumper filler, otherwise I'm gonna fiberglass that one all the way in. Get that right. My front end not on, I just had to clear some space, so I kind of slapped it together. My engine mounts are too big. Those are the original. I try to work it every kind of way I could, so I couldn't. But anyway, we got a quick problem solver. I ordered LS motor mounts. So I got LS motor mounts coming. We're gonna make a bracket to go to the holes, to the Viper bracket. As you see, those motor mounts are on. So we're gonna order that. So it sit down a little lower in the front, because that front where the throttle body is at sits pretty up high. As y'all can see, my daughter, she working. So that's about it. I'm gonna clean this garage up, probably move the car in the middle, put my toolbox on the other side so I can work on both sides. Tired of working on just on one side, sliding underneath the car. But we're gonna make something happen. Let's see. Can't wait for these Amani wheels to come in, but as y'all can see, we got the transmission mount in right here. Don't mind my floors, I'm getting new floors. I'm just showing y'all the process of this build. So, yeah, it sits pretty low. I gotta take this motor back out because we gotta weld the motor mounts for the bracket in, and then screw everything in. So the motor's gonna be coming out one more time. So we gotta do that. Other than that, car coming along pretty fast and nice. Like I said, I just got this car in January. We're in beginning of April. The first thing I had to do was get all the parts to the car. I had to get all the car parts to the car. So I got all the chrome moldings and side trim, everything fresh. Second part was get the Viper motor in, got that. Got all the seats again, a better set. So that was the third part. So we got all the parts. I had to get a bumper, missing a bumper, got the bumper. So we got all the parts for the car. So as y'all know, this is very expensive build, but it's my favorite car, 73 Caprice. And I'm working. Hood over there. I gotta find the other light. Auto wiring errors, Arkansas. It's making a wiring kit, so it'll fire right up. They basically use all three plugs on the wiring on the computer, and they reset it and make it simple. You know what I mean? So you come out with like 6 wires that go to start the car up. So we're gonna be working on that. So yeah, we got a lot of things coming. Amani wheels probably like another 6 weeks. We're gonna have the wheels on there. Got a friend in Miami. Shout out to Bruce. Trying to find me a rear end right now so the 7-inch lips can go on, because they're not gonna go on with the stock rear end. Got to get a shortened rear end, and plus I'm trying to find like something short and they could hold the posi better, because we're gonna be doing burnouts. So the lips are deep, all gold, everything. Steering wheel gonna be gold. The Tierra grill, as soon as they open up in Vegas, I already talked to the owner. He gonna make me a Tierra grill for this Donk. It's gonna be gold. Covers up basically like the front end. So the rest of the stuff will be chrome, besides like the mirror and the door handle. Hopefully we start working on the interior within the next 2 weeks. I've been playing around working on this motor, but now since I got the motor all in, it's time to work on the interior. June 27th is coming up for our car show, and the ban here for COVID-19 supposed to end June 10th, supposedly. So hopefully everybody stay in and this virus kind of dies down, where it's not affecting so many people. And our car show will be coming soon. So hope y'all pull up, show y'all support. The car should be a lot done there. And then after the car show, gotta send it off to Texas, get the candy paint on there. Once we get the candy paint on there, she'll be basically done. Like I said, I need to get the rack on and do some adjustments, but we're working. Got the flywheel off of here, off the other Viper. I call it like my donor motor. So had to bust those off, had to get an impact gun, bust those off. Once I pulled the motor out, I put the flywheel on. As y'all kind of seen when I was underneath there, I don't have all the bolts in, so it has a little gap. I just wanted it for my test fit. As y'all can see, that little gap right there. I wanted it for my test fit, so it's not bolted all the way in. As you can see, one bolt hanging kind of. So, kind of take it out, leave the transmission there, and take the motor out so I don't put the stress on them bolts. Oh, another thing. We got OG Doc on Instagram. I gotta actually take that manifold to him today because I forgot about that. So thanks, YouTube. That was hard to take off on that one, so we took it off. The valve covers is already to him. He's getting those powder coated for me, purple, candy perk, and then this is gonna be gold, the letter Viper gold, and this intake gonna be purple. So we're gonna drop that off today. So I'll let y'all see the pipe man in a little bit. That's how we coming on a nice day. Couple things. Y'all know Maggie right there, the wheels off, but she ain't done another round. filler. Got a fiberglass this bumper filler. Going fiberglass is 73 bumper filler is hard to find. Can't even find aftermarket ones. So I'm gonna take these cracked ones and make one good one. So let's see what we could do. Viper Donk. So it's hot outside. 80 degrees today. And as y'all see, one of my neighbors came through, was talking to me, and it dried up too fast. And that was the only paintbrush I had left in my toolbox drawer. So when I flipped it over, I just had to pour it on the bumper filler. I gotta do body work for it anyway. Got the cracks all in one. Take this cracked one off. And I'm gonna have to cut that piece and try to make it on that side because that side I'm missing it. But at least we got a bumper filler to make, kinda. Did not have one at all. 73s are rare on the bumper fillers. I wish somebody would make an aftermarket, but none yet. All right, so bumper filler. Gotta do some body work next. Got some grass in here, but I got a sand and all that, but at least I got a strong bumper filler. We're gonna sand and get that work in. It'll be nice once it's all finished. Better than not having a bumper filler or missing spots like the one underneath. Steering wheel by Amani Forge. Here we got my seat colors that I'm picking out today. I'm about to order one. Or y'all let me know before I do order. But today I'm looking like I'm about to order my material for my car, start stitching. So we got the plum top. Gonna be a purple car, gold wheels. I'm feeling the cream, but could go peanut butter on the inside. We'll see. Appreciate y'all tuning in, YouTube. Y'all have a good day and stay virus free.